The Three Fingers of Harmony. Once upon a time, in the serene and verdant kingdom of Varnavalley, there lived a wise old healer named Anandi. Anandi was renowned far and wide for her extraordinary ability to heal and restore balance to anyone she touched. The secret of her amazing power was the ancient art of Ayurvedic nadivigyan, the profound science of pulse diagnosis that had been passed down through generations. In the heart of Varnavalley, there stood a grand banyan tree, under whose sprawling branches Anandi would sit every morning, awaiting those in need of her healing touch. People from all walks of life came to her. Children with tummy aches, farmers with sore muscles, and even the king himself for his occasional headaches. With 3 gentle fingers placed on the radial pulse of her patient's wrist, she would close her eyes, breathe deeply, and feel the rhythms of life coursing beneath her fingertips. One day, a little girl named Mira approached Anandi with her mother. Mira had been feeling unwell, but no one could find the cause. She was a bright and joyful child, but recently she had been tired, sad, and unable to sleep. Anandi welcomed them with a warm smile and took Mira's small wrist in her own gentle hands. As Anandi felt the pulse with her 3 fingers, she listened to the subtle whispers of Mira's body. Her intuitive connection told her that Mira's Vata dosha, the energy responsible for movement and communication throughout the body, had become unbalanced. With this knowledge, Anandi devised a simple plan to restore Mira's health. A nourishing diet of warm cooked foods, daily oil massages, and a special bedtime routine with calming herbs. Within days, Mira's sparkle returned. Her laughter once again filled the air, and she slept soundly through the night. Anandi had done it again. By harmonizing the imbalances within Mira, she had unified mind and body to create perfect health. As years passed, Anandi's wisdom flourished, and she decided to teach the art of nadivigyan to the children of Varnavalley, so they could carry forward the tradition of healing and harmony. Through playful games of pulse feeling and storytelling, she conveyed the profound insights of this ancient practice, ensuring that perfect health and happiness continued to thrive in Varnavalley. And so, the legend of Anandi and her 3 fingers of harmony lived on, reminding everyone in the kingdom that true health comes from within, and that balance and unity are the keys to a joyful life.